Alright, hey everybody. I'm going to talk about an exercise today involving using the octave key. Give a quick example of what I'm about to show you. Basically, I am using the octave key, but playing the octave below it. So we've got this high C sharp with the octave key. But I'm going to lip it down and play the middle C sharp, but with the octave key still on. So this exercise, you're going to go all the way down the horn to do it, and what you get out of this is a couple different things. One is it really forces you to lower your jaw and open up the throat and really open up your sound. Again, I'm keeping the octave key on the whole time. Another thing this exercise will do for you, it'll help you work on your subtone. You can make it all the way down to the lowest notes. It really prepares you for getting that subtone sound. Subtone. Low tone subtone would be. It puts your jaw into that same position where subtone comes out of. And it also, again, just helps strengthen your embouchure and opens up your throat and helps you get a warmer, thicker sound. We'll do a couple more of these. Now some work better than others, and some are really hard, and some are quote nearly impossible. But the point is to try, and the trying really strengthens your embouchure. But when you do, and a lot of them do work easier than others, and make sure to spend time on the ones that are easy for you, because that's going to help train your embouchure and this whole system, throat, jaw, tongue position, everything. To just, it's going to train the muscle memory in your embouchure to know that feeling. So when you find one that does really work, hang on it for a while. Yeah, so things like that'll happen often. Just try to work through it. Let's try to spend time on each one of these things. Try to get different qualities of sound with this. You notice this one I can do a subtone like, where it's not really that resonant. Or I can add some brilliance to it with a little bit of extra effort. Which forces my tongue into a totally different position, and it's a very different thing. And this is super useful exercise. I'll find one that's particularly hard for me. On this horn, every horn's different. worked, ironically. Sometimes they don't. So that lowest one was the low B flat, but with the octave key. Yeah. Very, very difficult. Good luck with this. This is an excellent exercise for the reasons I told you. Another great one is for working in a new mouthpiece. I've noticed it's a I wouldn't say it's a cheat, but it really helps you get used to new mouthpieces a little bit quicker.